Right, Monsieur Davy. So, in order to do either of the two songs that you want to do, which is the Live It Up and Maggie May, you're going to have to learn a bar chord. Basically 2 bar chords. But we'll do this bar chord first. So this is a bar chord based on E. So E is played like that, as you know, 1st fret of the G string, 3rd string, 2nd fret of the 5th string, the A string, and 2nd fret of the D string. So 1, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. Now if you can then make that same chord shape but keep your 1st finger free, so 2nd finger on the 1st fret, 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and 3rd pinky finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. So those 2 together and that one there. We're going to come up here to the 2nd fret because that's where the chord is on the Live It Up song. Now the trick to bar chords is that you need to keep your thumb in the middle, the back of the guitar. You have to squeeze, so you can't really have it over the top like that, you have to have it in the back, which also helps to push your wrist down because you need your wrist to be below the guitar for this to work. And the idea is to put your 1st finger across all the strings and then just check and see if they're all ringing out by squeezing quite hard, and then 1st finger on the 3rd fret of the G string here, 2nd finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and pinky finger, did I say 2nd? That should be 3rd finger, and pinky finger on the 2nd fret, 4th fret, sorry, of the D string. But the way to think about it is that basically it's this chord but slid up. So that's the shape. And you can play any chord with this shape. It'll be the chord, the name of the chord is whatever this finger's playing on the bottom string. So that's E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B flat, B, C, C sharp, B. Hopefully you're not even seeing these, are you? G, so E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B flat, B, C, D sharp, D, D sharp, E. You would rarely play chords this high up the guitar, but certainly the first few frets. And it's called a bar chord because that bar, spelled B-A-R-R-E, because that finger makes a bar across all of the strings and effectively takes the place of this thing here, the nut. It's like you're moving it up here. And specifically, that's the chord you need for Live It Up. And it's very close to the chord that you need for Maggie May, except for the Maggie May chord, it's actually a minor bar chord, so you take this finger off. So that chord is based around the E minor chord you play here, which is in things like, you know, E minor, those 2 notes. And so you play it with those 2 fingers, so your 3rd finger and your pinky finger, and you slide it up and you do the bar again. So that's the major chord. This one here, you have your 1st finger on the 3rd fret of the G string, major, happy, minor, sad, happy, sad. And just practice it because that's how you get it right. And remember that the tricks are thumb in the back, wrist drop down, so you're not having your hand like this like you would normally have, where your wrist is almost pointing into the back of the guitar. It's way down here, dropped, and you're just working on getting that full sound. Okay.